Good morning, Rajesh from Human Gardeners Varada Talk. Last week there was a post in LinkedIn wherein the author of the post asked what according to us an entrepreneur should invest in. According to the author, he said an entrepreneur should invest in people and innovation and technology. And he had also asked for the suggestions of the readers. Instinctively, I replied that we should invest in learning. And I could see a lot of people agreeing to my views. Learning is one subject which I always believed in. And I feel that my growth is basically because of my belief in continuous learning. But what is learning? Do we know what learning means? For most of us, learning is something which we do in our schools and colleges, or rather learning is something which we do to get a job. That is what we know about learning. But learning is something much more than that. So to explain what is learning, as usual, I will share a small story from a book called The Class Act, written by Debashish Chatterjee. Debashish Chatterjee, as you know, is the director of Indian Institute of Management, Calicut, and also he is an author of some of very good books. So in this book, he is talking about a Gurukul, which ultimately was trying to create good teachers in the society. And there was a teacher called Guru Mahesh, who was a phenomenal, exceptional teacher. And the students loved him, revered him, and also respected him a lot. And this teacher or Guru Mahesh had the ability to identify good teachers and train them. And one of his students called Subodh, he identified him as a good teacher and he gave him an assignment. Subodh did an exceptional job, did a wonderful job, and he even got ratings better than Guru Mahesh. And Subodh, of course, was very happy about it. But then there was one point which he was not aware. Guru had given him the best students to teach. So, in a different occasion, when somebody asked Guru whether Subodh is going to be the successor for him in the long run, the Guru smiled and said, "Yes, of course, Subodh is a very good teacher, but I feel, according to me, Kamal is a better teacher than him." Kamal was his another student. Subodh came to know about this and he was definitely upset, obvious, and he was also eager to know why Guru felt like that. So he went to the Guru and asked him why according to him, Kamal is a better teacher. So Guru did not reply, but then instead he gave him a tougher assignment. This time he was supposed to go to the city and teach 3 illiterate people. Even though they are illiterate, they were not normal students. One of them was a cobbler, the other one was a barber, and the third one was a potter. And all of them were rich. They were doing this business for so many years. They had so many people working for them, and being hands-on people, they were completely involved in the business, but they were illiterate. So Subodh had to go and teach them. Subodh took the challenge, went there, and he started convincing them the importance of learning. But then they were not interested in learning. And what they felt is, already they have learned enough to run their business. So what is the reason? What is the need to learn more? Subodh tried his level best, but he was not able to convince them. He tried to tell them the importance. He said that by learning they can increase their business, but that they were not interested. And he had only 3 months to convince them. So after almost a month, he understood, he realized that he is not able to do it. So he decided to go back. He went back and explained everything to Guru Mahesh. And Guru listened to him carefully and he said, "It's perfectly fine. Even I may not be in a position to convince these people. I know it was a tough assignment. And he also added that even Kamal was not able to convince them. And immediately Subodh took this opportunity and asked the Guru, you just now said that even Kamal was not able to do it. If that is the case, tell me what is the difference between me and Kamal. Guru smiled and said, okay, I will tell you. He said, Kamal went there, but then he did not come back within a month like you did. He realized that it is very difficult to teach them. So he stayed there for 3 months, and when he came back after 3 months, he was an excellent cobbler, excellent potter, and also an excellent barber. When he realized that he cannot teach them, what he did is that he learned their things from them. That makes all the difference. Only such people will become good teachers. This is one story which has influenced me a lot and given me the motivation to keep on learning throughout my life. Last year, one of my friends had an open heart surgery. He had to replace both his valves, and the surgery itself took almost 6.5 hours. After the surgery, we went and met the surgeon to thank him. And during our discussions, the surgeon said every day, even after 7 hours of surgery, he spent 2 to 3 hours to update himself about the recent developments in his field. That is the importance of continuous learning. And if you ask me a question where you should invest, I would always say that you should invest in continuous learning. And this is one thing, this investment is something which will fetch you very high dividends in the long run. Thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have liked it, share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you. Keep learning.